Two creative titans, one decision in 2026. Which Adobe tool truly rules your design workflow? On one side, Photoshop, famed the master of photo editing and digital painting. On the other, Illustrator, pencil the powerhouse for vector graphics and logo design. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what really sets them apart. Every category earns points, and at the end you'll find out which one comes out on top. The outcome might just surprise you. Here's a mind map of all the stuff we'll be comparing. Best use case, graphics type, scalability, brush and customization, 3D capabilities, file formats, learning curve, and integration. So if you're wondering which is best at what, we're covering all the bases here. Okay, first up, best use case. So Photoshop is really your go-to for photo editing, digital painting, making web graphics, or even jumping into some light 3D stuff. But be honest, if you just need to make a simple logo, this might feel like bringing a bazooka to a snowball fight. Now, Illustrator. Whoa, this one is a total boss at logos, icons, scalable branding materials, technical drawings, and especially print. But if you're thinking you'll be retouching every pimple in a selfie over here, not really, is just not where it shines. Honestly, for this one, it's a tie. They're each powerful in their own corner. Next, let's talk graphics type. Photoshop works with raster graphics, so basically things are made up of pixels. Amazing for detail, killer for image editing, but try blowing it up and ouch, you'll see pixelation. Illustrator, on the other hand, is all about vectors. This means you can scale things to infinity like billboard size and everything stays crisp. Those mathematical paths. Pure magic for designers, but don't try to edit your vacation photos here. So Illustrator definitely takes this round. Moving on, scalability. So Photoshop handles fixed size projects pretty well, but the moment you need to make something bigger, things start to get fuzzy, literally. Pixelation is a real drag. Illustrator, though, you can scale your design from a business card to a building wrap and it stays razor sharp. That's why branding pros love Illustrator. No competition here, Illustrator wins by a mile. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know most professional designers actually use both tools together? That's right, you get the best of both worlds by combining Photoshop's image editing with Illustrator's scalable vectors. Mind blown, right? Now, for all you digital artists, listen up: brush and customization. Photoshop brings an insane brush library, cool customization tricks, and super smooth blends. It feels like, well, magic, especially for digital painting or when you want painterly effects. Illustrator does have vector brushes, they're clean, they're precise, but honestly, nowhere near Photoshop's variety or realism. Photoshop clearly dominates this category. Alright, let's get a little geeky: 3D capabilities. Photoshop actually pulls its weight here. You can mess with real 3D text, spin up advanced shapes. Honestly, pretty impressive for just a photo editor. Illustrator. It has some basic 3D, but for heavy lifting, not exactly. So yeah, Photoshop scores higher for 3D. On to file formats. Photoshop plays nicely with PSD, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and a bunch more, so you're not stranded, but when it comes to prepping flawless files for print, Illustrator is the champ here. With native support for AI, EPS, PDF, SVG, those are like the gold standard for designers working in print and branding. Illustrator nabs the win for file formats. Let's chat learning curve. Is one easier to learn? Photoshop, despite its tools, actually feels more intuitive for beginners, especially if you're used to editing images or painting. Layers and brushes make sense, but Illustrator, you kinda need to wrap your head around vectors, and that path tool, it takes some practice. So Photoshop is definitely the friendlier place to start. Almost there, integration. This one's honestly no contest because both are part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. Photoshop syncs with Lightroom and other Adobe apps seamlessly, and Illustrator does too. They both play really well with the rest of Creative Cloud. Gotta call this one a tie. So looking at this category radar chart, you really see where each one spikes. Illustrator rules with vectors and scalability, but Photoshop is unbeaten for painting and 3D twists. At the end of the day, if you're into photo editing, creative digital painting, or want a ridiculous amount of brush options, Photoshop is your best friend. If you're dreaming about logo design, scalable graphics, or print-perfect branding, Illustrator's the one waving from the winner's circle. Or just do what the pros do, use both. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that subscribe button for more design tool breakdowns coming your way.